Hello traders, my name is Joseph and I've been trading for like 2 years and all I just want to do is to simplify your trading now. Most people online are teaching complex strategies, uh, believing that they're going to make more profit, of which I don't really think that's the truth. And yeah, I'm just going all I want to do is to simplify your trading, and you shouldn't be really that hard to do any analysis now. For my strategy, I use liquidity concept to your price action. So I pretty much look at the price action and also use liquidity concept to help me get a clear view what the market is telling me. And for today, we do have high impact news. We have unemployment claims coming in. So I wouldn't. So I obviously. So most likely today will be a range day. So I wouldn't be so much looking for setup before the news come out, and I usually start my analysis from the DXY. The list telling me to at least have a general direction where the market is headed to now. You can see the DXY has been weak for some time, and I do feel like we are going to have a team continuation to the downside and still favoring the downside. So yeah, I'm pretty much bearish on the DXY, but I would have to wait for the news. I'm expecting this kind of move, a manipulation of this higher, then we have a continuation back to these lows. But yeah, so the news, if we do have a strong 4-hour candle closure above this high, that could mean that we could get a continuation to this upside. But yeah, I'm really much looking for a manipulation of this high and then have a continuation to the downside. So yeah, I'm pretty much undecided on the XY, but yeah, I have to wait for the news to come out so I know where the market is essentially going. Now going to the forex pairs, I have Euro GBP, Euro USD, GBP USD, and the AUD USD. Those are the 4 pairs that I actively look for. So now, for Euro GBP, you can see prices already reached targets, and yeah, we did have a small drop, and I'm not so much interested in looking at the moment because I do think the price is going to build up for some time before we have a nice expansion to the upside. So yeah, I'm pretty much bullish on Euro GBP, but I really have to see more price action to decide. And for Euro USD, price has clearly been manipulating to the downside. So yeah, pretty much waiting for the news. You can see price just moving to the downside, but you can clearly see from the daily time frame. You can see we have not been taking the daily highs. That means these highs are so much intact, except for yesterday we did take the previous day high. But yeah, I'm pretty much bullish on this on Euro USD, but we are going to have to see what the news has for us now. On GBP USD, same 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 thing. You can see we are clearly going to the downside now. I'm pretty much waiting. It's yeah, it pretty much looks ugly. So yeah, I have to wait for the news and see how it's going to look on this forex pairs now. So yeah, on AUD USD, you can see price took this previous 4 hour. You see this liquidity buildup, and you can see we pushed up and then we stopped. Now we have a nice reaction to the upside, but yeah, we might as well run for this lows. Now for the commodities, gold is had a nice expansion yesterday, and yeah, not much. I can't see much. So yeah, just going to wait for the news today, but overall, um, I'm bullish on gold. Same issue, same thing on silver. Uh, yeah, I'm still bullish on silver, but yeah, the news pretty much waiting for my production to develop. Yeah, as well, the same. Back to these highs. Had a nice push yesterday, but yeah, overall just back to these highs. I'm bullish on you as well, so yeah, I'm going to have to see a production. Now for the stocks, I'm pretty much undecided at the moment. You can see we had a nice push, but we didn't take out this high, so yeah, could potentially just see a continuation to the downside, but yeah, more price action before you can formulate that idea. For the S&P, the same. You can see price is just ranging, so yeah, could expect pressure stop this high before continuing to the downside. Yeah, and for the other forex pairs, the USD nice reaction to this from this low, but you can see we have been leaving daily lows and weekly lows in there, so that these are just prices still going to continue with this downtrend, right? So yeah, I'm bearish on USD for USD CHF, it's just ranging to the upside. Yeah, really don't know much about this pair, but yeah, didn't say much. So and for USD card, nice move to the upside, but and I'm pretty much favoring this. We have price reaction here. This just equal highs without liquidity coming, and you can see price push to this high expected it and then move down to the downside. So yeah, I'm pretty much looking for price to at least induce this highs before we have any continuation to the downside. For GPY, price has been ranging here. Price has been ranging pretty much. You can see how this 4 hour keeping the lows intact. So this is just liquidity for me. If price could essentially no, if price could essentially dump back to these lows, sweeping all this liquidity, then I could expect a nice push to these highs. So yeah, if it leaves this highs intact and then makes a huge dump to clear this liquidity, then we could see a nice reaction. This reaction to at least to these highs being my main target. And yeah, if it fails, I don't know much since we have this today. So yeah, let's see how price action plays out. And that's the problem me. Today, I would really urge you to trade safe. We have unemployment claims coming. Those are high impact news. So yeah, make sure you trade safe and that's all the analysis I had for today. Make sure to subscribe and follow for more updates. And if you want to access my setups, make sure to join the link in description. It's a Telegram link. And yeah, have a good trading day.